upward trend, Carol, you were telling us about earlier.
Yes, certainly in terms of temperature, Dan, you're quite right. Good morning. What we have for the next few days is the weather changing a bit. It is going to become that bit drier for many parts of the UK, not all. And we're also going to see cooler nights as skies clear by night as well, and the temperature really dips. But what we have today is a weather front which is sinking southeastwards, taking its cloud and rain with it. Another one coming up from France, bringing in rain. Interestingly, this one has already produced over 100,000 lightning strikes in France over the course of the night. Now, we may see the odd flash of lightning, but that will be all. It's a low risk, and that rain will push away through the day. Our weather front sinks south. Here it is here as a weakening feature, band of cloud really, with the odd spot of rain, and then behind it, it does brighten up. So this afternoon across Scotland, there will be a fair bit of sunshine around. Some showers peppering the north and also the west. Northern Ireland, you're also going to see brighter skies, again with just a chance of the odd shower and a moderate westerly wind. For Northern England, Wales and southwest England, again brightening up for you with some sunshine. Here's our old weather front producing the cloud. Behind the first one, it will brighten up, but the cloud's going to move in later on in the day. And then overnight, it will eventually clear away, leaving us with clear skies. Now, that means it's going to be a cooler night than the one just gone, especially in prone areas such as the frost hollows that we see in parts of southern England, where temperatures could well fall to around about 4 or 5 degrees. And in some of the sheltered glens in northeast Scotland, the temperature could dip to 3 or 4 degrees. So here we're likely to see a touch of frost. But first thing in the morning, it also means under those clear skies, there will be a lot of sunshine. However, through the course of the day, you'll start to notice the cloud building, and it could be thick enough for 1 or 2 showers in the west. Once again, they will be well scattered. Not all of us will see them at all. And our temperature range 14 in the north to about 21 as we push down towards the southeast. Now, we've got this system just waiting in the wings. What it is a clutch of fronts. Now, they're going to be coming our way during the course of Friday. High pressure clings on to the weather across central and eastern areas. So here, after a cool start to the day, once again, there will be a fair bit of sunshine around. However, in the west, as our weather fronts come in, they will introduce a bit more cloud and also some spots of rain. Now, the timing and the exact placement of this could change. So if you're doing anything outdoors on Friday, do keep watching the weather forecast. Temperature wise, not too dissimilar to Thursday, 14 to about 21. Then as we head from Friday into the weekend, well, on Saturday, if we talk about temperatures as Dan was, you can see how they start to climb. So for many of our capitals, we're looking at either the high teens or the low 20s. And by Sunday, it's going to be the low 20s or indeed the mid 20s. Somewhere in the southeast could hit 24 or 25. And into the early part of next week, that warming trend continues, especially in the south and the west. For the rest of the UK, there is a greater chance of seeing some rain out of that as well. And as it edges from the west towards the east, the cloud ahead of it will tend to build. So temperature-wise, we're looking at 14 or 15 in the north, still 20 or 21 in any sunshine that we see further south. As we head into the weekend, if we take a look at the capital cities, you can see how the temperature starts to climb. So we're looking at the high teens or indeed the low 20s on Saturday, and then by Sunday, the low 20s to the mid 20s further south. So Sunday looks like not a bad day if you like it that wee bit warmer. And it looks like the trend is it's going to get a little bit warmer again as we head into the early part of next week.